Once, a woman woke up in the morning only to realize that she had only 3 strands of hair left on her head. Well, she said, I think I'll braid my hair today. She braided her hair and she had a wonderful day. When she got up the next day and looked in the mirror, she noticed just 2 strands of hair on her head. She said, I think I'll part my hair down the middle today. She parted her hair in the middle and she had a great day. The next day, she woke up, looked into the mirror, and noticed that she had only 1 hair on her head. Well, she said, today I'm going to wear my hair in a ponytail. So she did, and she had a fun day. The next day, she woke up and noticed there wasn't a single hair on her head. Yippee! She exclaimed. I don't have to fix my hair today. Attitude is everything. Be kind. Everyone you meet is fighting some kind of a battle. Live simply, love generously, care deeply, speak kindly. Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. May we all learn to dance in the rain.